Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix black screen problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing black screen problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is what you have to do. Just you have to press Ctrl Alt and Delete. You can see Ctrl Alt and Delete. You have to hold this button at the same time. And you will see this screen. Click on this Task Manager. After that, you can see here new task. If you are using Windows 11, you will find here run new task. If you are using Windows 10, in bottom you will find more settings. You can click here on more settings if you are using Windows 10. I am using Windows 11, so I will click on new task. Here you need to type explorer.exe. explorer.exe. Then click OK. Or else in this you need to find Windows Explorer. You can see here Windows Explorer, right click on that, then click on Restart. After trying, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. What you have to do, you have to restart your graphics driver. For that, you can see Shift Control Windows and B key. You have to hold this key at the same time. And your graphic driver will be restarted. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix black screen problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.